All right, everybody, welcome back to the deep dive.
It's great to be back.
Today we're diving into Solana.
Oh, yeah. One of the more interesting cryptos out there these days, for sure.
Yeah, and especially with its recent price movements, we're seeing a lot of people wondering, is this a real bull run? Is it going to last?
Yeah, is this the start of something big or is it just a temporary blip?
Exactly. So we found this analysis
Oh, cool.
that we're going to dive into, and
Okay.
it breaks down all the key factors driving Solana's price.
Sounds good. Let's get into it.
So right off the bat, Solana's looking pretty strong. I mean, it's found a support level at $222, and it's currently trading around $230.
Not bad. Not bad at all. A decent bump, for sure.
But can it keep this momentum going? I mean, what needs to happen for Solana to really take off?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Literally.
Think about it like this. Imagine Solana is trying to climb a mountain.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
As it climbs, it's going to hit certain points where it gets really tough to go any higher, right?
Almost like it's hitting a wall.
Exactly, and in the world of trading, we call those walls resistance levels.
Oh, okay, so basically these are price points where Solana might face some pushback.
Precisely, it's where the selling pressure might outweigh the buying pressure.
So what are the resistance levels we should be watching out for with Solana?
Well, according to the analysis, there are a few key levels to keep an eye on. $246 and the big one, $250.
$250, huh?
Yeah, it's an interesting number because that's actually the same price point Solana hit before its last major correction.
Oh, wow, so it's like a psychological barrier.
Exactly. If Solana can break through $250, it would be a huge sign that investors are confident and that this upward trend could really gain some serious momentum.
So if it does break through, what could we potentially see?
Well, the analysis suggests that if Solana manages to break through that $250 resistance level, it could potentially target $265 and even $280.
Whoa, no, those are some nice numbers.
Yeah, it would definitely be a significant move for Solana.
Now, you mentioned something about technical indicators earlier. Can you elaborate on that a bit?
Sure, technical indicators are basically tools that traders use to try and get a better understanding of the market sentiment.
So, are they trying to predict the future or something?
Well, not exactly. They're more like clues that help us interpret what's going on based on historical price data.
Okay, so they're not like a crystal ball, but more like a compass.
Precisely a compass that can give us hints about where the price might be headed next.
So what are some of the key technical indicators that we should be paying attention to with Solana?
Well, two of the most popular indicators are the MACD and the RSI.
Okay, and what are those telling us about Solana right now?
So the MACD is currently showing growing strength in what we call the bullish zone.
Which is a good thing, right?
Yeah, basically it's signaling that the upward momentum is building.
Okay, and what about the RSI?
The RSI is currently above 50, which also indicates positive momentum.
So both of these indicators are pointing towards a bullish scenario.
Yeah, for sure. It's looking pretty good from a technical perspective.
That's encouraging to hear, but technical analysis is only part of the story, right?
Absolutely. It's important to consider other factors as well.
Like what?
Well, for example, real-world adoption is a big one.
Right. Are people actually using Solana?
Exactly. And from what we're seeing, Solana's ecosystem is growing rapidly.
Oh, yeah, for sure. I mean, more and more apps are being built on Solana. Its use in NFTs is exploding, and its fast and cost-effective transactions are really attractive to developers and users alike.
Yeah, those are definitely all major factors contributing to Solana's appeal.
Okay, so we've got the technicals looking good, and real-world adoption is picking up steam. What's the key takeaway for someone who might be thinking about investing in Solana right now?
Well, the key thing to watch right now is that $250 resistance level.
Right, the big one.
If Solana can break through that level and stay above it, that's a really strong sign that the bulls are in control and the upward trend could continue.
Got it. But of course, always do your own research.
Yeah.
And don't invest more than you can afford to lose.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, giving you a good framework for understanding what's driving Solana's price. But as always, there's more to the story.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
We focused on technical analysis and real-world adoption. But what about the broader market? I mean, how might things like overall crypto sentiment or even global economic trends impact Solana moving forward?
Yeah, that's a great point. It's all connected.
Exactly. So keep that in mind as you do your own research, and happy investing, everyone.
Happy investing.
We'll see you in the next deep dive.
See ya.